Hi Hayden, good afternoon. Kok good afternoon sih? Good evening Hayden. Tes tes, hello. Hello Hayden,
Halo, halo.
hello, tes tes.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Good evening Hayden, how are you?
I'm good.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Yeah, sure, fine. Okay. Okay. So, how was your week? I mean, last week, yeah. I think it's really long week. Is there something special happened before?
No.
No, just usual weekend, yeah. Just usual weekend.
Yes.
Maybe you went somewhere, Hayden?
No.
No, as well. Okay. But I think holiday is coming, yeah. Or you have apa? You already in your holiday.
No. A holiday at Saturday,
Holiday is Saturday. Oh, you
29
didn't
March.
you didn't I'm sorry. You didn't your school didn't holiday for Idul Fitri?
Yes, but at 29 March
Only that?
until 9 April.
And then in April. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. It's really long. Okay. Really long weekend, yeah. More than 1 week. Okay, Hayden will start our lesson today ya. Then wait a minute. Hayden, do you still remember what was the materials that you learned on the previous week?
No.
No, okay. So on the previous week, you already learned about introduction to mobile development. Yeah, you learn how to use um Ruby-Task. Oh, sorry. I mean how to use Kiwi. Yeah, as your libraries to create mobile applications. Okay, let me check it all of this.
Okay.
Nah, okay. So today we'll continue our lesson, which is about mobile app development. Yeah. Now, developing an MVP mobile app. MVP, what is it? Hayden?
MVP.
MVP. Have you ever heard about this?
MVP, like the man of the match.
Man of the match, okay. Yes. Other definitions from that?
I don't know.
No, nah. Okay, so when we are talking about MVP in the programming, uh, I'm sorry, it will refer to mobile. I mean, a minimum valuable product. Yeah, which is it's the first versions about your applications. Yeah. So apa ya ya it's a first version lah. There's so much need to improve ya from the first versions. Okay, so what kind of mobile applications that you will create today? You will create about Ruviertas. Yeah, it's already discussed in the Python Pro first year. Have you ever created or yeah created Ruviertas?
I think no. I don't know too.
Oh yeah, okay. So what was the final project, Hayden, that you made on the Python Pro first year?
Bro, I already forget.
You already forget. Okay. So anyway, when we are talking about review task, yeah, it will create a simple logic like this. Yeah, you will count. I mean, these apps will measures or um will measures whether you're in a good condition or not gitu. So it checks your pulse, yeah, it checks your pulse and also to give a condition of your cardiovascular. Yeah. So how can you do that? First, you need to find your pulse. Yeah. For example, you can find it from near of your neck or maybe on your apa bristle bristle of your hand. Yeah. And you need to count it for 15 seconds. After that, you need to create do some 30 squats, then count again your pulse, in 15 seconds. After that, you need to rest for 30 seconds, and then the last one, take your pulse 50 seconds again. Yeah. So, what is the formula to get the index of the root here? Yeah. So you need to create 4 times. P1, P2, P3 is a pulse, a number of pulse, and minus 400 divided by 10. Yeah. Okay. So you will create about Kanban also, yeah. Yeah, it's a Kanban boards. Yeah, a Kanban boards like a planning where you will put a lot of preparations before you start practice ya gitu. Okay. So this is the example that you would like to make for today lesson. Yeah. And ada sih. Like that. Yeah. Okay, so you need to input the full name and also your age and also how many pulls for the formula to be submitted. Hello, Hayden, am I audible?
Hello, hello.
Hello, okay, okay. Sorry ya, my internet connection is unstable. Wait,
Okay.
let me share it again. Nah, so that's all ya for the project example of the review test. Do you have any questions, Hayden?
No.
No, yeah. If you don't have any questions, please open your Visual Studio Code, yeah, and then log into your account.
Uh, sir,
Please share your screen ya,
sir,
Hayden. Ya.
can I go to the toilet?
Oh iya ya, oke, go ahead.
Okay.
Oke, please share your screen ya, Hayden. Open your
Yeah.
Visual Studio Code. Login. Oke, open number 3 ya. Oke, klik next button ya if you finish, then continue to the next level. I think you can click the, oh ya, oke. Open number 4 ya. Klik number 4, number 4. Nah, oke. So please read the question first ya, Hayden. Oke. So you will create your mobile applications ya. Now, how can you do that? Yeah, to create a mobile applications. So the first tab is import. Yeah, you need to import all the necessary libraries. Yeah, and it will be like this. You can delete from the first line. Yeah, and change to these libraries.
Sir, wait, tunggu dulu ya, Sir, bentar.
Oh yeah, okay, go ahead.
Oke, Sir.
Okay, import all these libraries ya, Hayden. Without space ya, Hayden. Without space, yes, it attach. Oke. Nah, see, the A and also the S is uppercase ya. Do the same thing, otherwise your program will not be working.
Sir, udah, sir.
Enggak? Oke. Play dulu ya. Please play. Okay, sip. All the libraries is already included in your project. So the first step is you need to create your application ya. Nah, how can we do that? Wait, before that, Hayden please apa import as well ya. Nah, this one put it on the 9 line ya. Mm-mm.
Apa tuh, mah? Udah.
Sip. Oke. Continue this one ya. First step creating the applications. Wait a minute. So it will be like this. Nah, apa there's an input for the name and also the age ya, hidden. So you can create by using this class ya. Nah, oke, create a first class INSR as chat. Oke,
What the hell?
but yeah, it's really long. I know, but go ahead. When when the time is up, I will send the whole code ya. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, then wait. Sorry. Now I will put in here, yeah. Uh, no, in that. Okay, can you click the file so it will apa? It will make the window bigger. Okay.
Enggak sah.
Okay. Now, after in name and also in age, we'll continue to the layout. Yeah. Now, you'll create one layout and put all the widget inside of the layout. On the line 29, yeah. Eh, on this, in here, yeah.
Enggak sah.
Yes, okay. After that, create a new function, which is the next button to move to the next screen, yeah. You put on these indentations. Yes, okay. Nah, okay. The last one ya, you can put the class card check they've built to register the screen manager ya. Yes, in there.
That's
Okay. And then this one you
ah,
can put in here ya, return SM. Nah, for the app remove on here ya, remove the white space. Ya. Yes, okay. Run without debugging ya. Try to run without debugging. Hidden, is it working or not? Yes. Click run without debugging. The second one.
lama.
Oh, no, 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 no. Stop ya. Click again the run and then click the second one. Yes. Hmm. Oh, open line 48 ya. Hidden. There's something wrong on the Rupier.py.
48?
Yes. Click the file. On the file Rupier.py. Click this one. Hidden.
Sir,
Rupier.py. In here.
sir,
Nah, okay. Now this time you can use the link on the chat Zoom. Yeah, wait, I will send the Google Docs. Um, Hayden, please click on the chat Zoom ya. Link on the chat Zooms. And then just copy all the code yeah and paste on the reviewer.py. You can use Control A ya. Control A and Control V.
Control A.
Control A, Control V, Control V.
Shit.
Oh, you haven't copied it yet. Right click, copy. Okay. Control V. Nah, oke. Please rerun again from the main app, Hayden. Heart check ya. Typo. Main app line 44. Line 44. Heart check. Using K. Scroll up. Oh, wait. Heart check. Oh, scroll down, Hayden. Scroll down. Scroll down ya. Heart check. Nah ini. Check ya. Without A. Yes, okay. Run again. Hmm, main app line 22. Line 22 in here ya. Okay. You missed this one, Hayden. Please on apa below line 21 put this code ya. Below line 21. Yes, okay. Okay, run again. Widget ya. Typo line 26.
Apa lagi sih banyak kali?
Widget. Nah, oke. Run with debugging again.
Udah sih.
Okay, click this one ya, Hayden. It's already working. Click the EV. Okay. Yes, like this ya. It's the introduction, enter the name, yeah, enter the age, and then you can click the start button. Nah, okay, for the start button, it's on the second screen ya. Okay, nah, for the second screen, we can use on the chat Zoom as well ya. Uh, please open your browser again, Hayden. Open your browser again and copy again the code ya. Now I already updated. Okay, just Control A and Control C. Nah, wait, you can add a new line below line 39. Below line 39, yes. And then remove the white space. Paste in here. Control V, yes. And then on the heart check, you can add this line ya, Hayden. Nah, below line, scroll down Hayden. Nah, below line 118, ya, you can put a new code.
Sir, kenapa nggak ditaruh di chat cuma ya?
Boleh. Nah, tuh, already on the chat zooms. Oh
Eh,
no, Control Z. You haven't copied it yet. Nah, oke. Uh-uh. Enter in here. In here, enter ya. Nah, oke, sip. Run again, Hayden. Aduh, what happened? Scroll down. Indent. Oh, oke. Ini nih, tab ya. Dev ini tab line 130 ya. Tab also for the line 110. Oke, run again. Oke. Nah, yes. Nah, oke. You need to count your pulse ya for 15 seconds. For
what is
example
pulse?
ya, ah,
What is pulse?
pulse is like a denyut nadi. Jadi kamu cari denyut nadi itu di tangan, ya, atau di
Oh,
leher. Nah,
oh,
yes, you just count it for the 15 seconds. Okay, let's say it's only 20. You can apa type 20 ya. Nah, this one do the same thing but after
oh,
what?
ini
Ya,
ini udah sir. Ini kayaknya udah.
nah, kan udah pernah kan? Harusnya udah ini di Python Pro 1 ini.
Tapi bukan kayak gini penampilannya.
Yang ini kita pakai Kivi, jadi dia agak berbeda ya. Misalnya ini jadi 25, ini 30 deh. Nah, ya, ini adalah hasil dari rata-rata proofnya. Ya, ada pertanyaan? Is there any questions? Hayden?
No, no.
No, so you can close the apps ya. And then make it bigger for the questions. Question bar on the right side. Yes, and then check all the boxes.
Udah sir.
Okay, sip. If you don't have any question, we will dismiss our class for today, yeah, Hayden. And then
Okay.
we'll start creating prototype to MVP on the next weekend. Yeah, we'll create the basic apps and uh, try to build an APK. Yeah, so your applications can be run on your mobile phone. Yeah.
Oke, oke.
So that's all for today, and bye bye, Hayden. Good evening, yeah. Good night.
Bye.
Bye.